Hello again. Here today we're going to work on the last exercise, which is exercise 8. So as before, just go to the view map in the bottom file, double click it, and you should get an image similar to what I'm looking at here. This one really shows you some drawing aids and how you can actually use Archicad, its snap and guidelines to create shapes perpendicular, which is what's going to happen this first exercise. So I'll just go on the wall tool, and you can start in the middle here if you like. And I'll just click over here, and as I get to the other wall, you'll see that the icon changes. See there, black pencil, and that black pencil, if you move it and zoom right in, you may actually get an icon which tells you, and that blue line tells me I'm 90 degrees. We'll try another one, and I'll not just go from midway this time, I'll just go this way, and I'll zoom right up, and you can see that little icon, the 90 degrees tells me I'm at 90 degrees, so I'm just going to click that, and that's your 4 internal walls. So I've drawn 2, you can try and do a few more. Draw a line parallel to this hotspot to align vertically, so we want it to align vertically with the end of the first wall. So what you could use here is go over to the right hand side and just drag over a guideline. I'm going to use that to line up with the edge of the wall. Because I want my new wall to be parallel, I'm just going to track this one until it turns blue, and then I'm going to click here, and then Archicad kind of knows that you've highlighted that wall, and I can just go up to the guideline there, and then that wall is parallel and ends in the position I wanted it to. You can use guidelines again, because this bottom one on the bottom right chats about starting midway between the tops, so you could go up to the guidelines, just say create a guideline segment. I'm just going to put one in here. These things don't print out. Still in the wall tool, and I can just go in here, and you can see this little black lines appeared. Hold the shift button down, and that's your completed wall. A similar method can be used with these lines. So if we just kind of highlight the lines, and I'm going to go into the line tool under document, and if we go over here, I'm not sure these things they can turn blue as well. I don't know why you're just kind of, so I'm just going to start in here, and then you can see that Archicad has given me a kind of guideline up the middle, and there's my line. Now to check the angle, I'm just going to go to this angular dimension tool here, and it says click or draw the first vector of the angle dimension, so I'll click here, and then it says click or draw second vector, so I'll click here, and you can see that that is 36 degrees, so I'm just going to do the same operation in the second one just to confirm that it actually has done it. So I'll just click the first vector, which should be this line. I'll do the same here, and you can see that Archicad has actually bisected that angle. So those are just little drawing aids. So this video is quite short, so hopefully you find it quite simple. Any problems, just ask your tutor. Thanks.